The weather in Bristol has basically caused most fans to seek cover since it's actually coming down quite a bit, although these guys have been singing, even though play stopped quite a while ago. Where are you from and who are you supporting?
As a group, we're from Exeter, and we're supporting everyone, really. We're supporting the night. Yeah. We're supporting the event. That's what we're supporting.
Are you going to be attending more cricket matches because you seem to be a fun group of guys together?
Yeah, we'll probably come as a group and watch a few more, but yeah, we can't tell at this point.
At this stage, anything is possible.
Anything's possible.
Can you teach me one of your more polite songs?
Disco. Yeah, we can. Okay, if we go to Mellows, he'll start off for us.
You don't need that.
Okay.
Give me a